Welcome to our YouTube channel Safety Guidelines with loads of videos on different topics. I'm partner of Fahim Azam. The topic for this video is very interesting and informative. It is very special as it is related to front end loader safety. Let's move on. Please do watch it thoroughly until the end to get benefits of this video. Front end loader. Three common types of front-end loader incidents that can result in serious injuries or fatalities are struck by incidents, caught in or between incidents, and tip-overs. Struck by incidents. Many of the fatalities listed on OSHA's database were a result of it. All too often, ground personnel find themselves in a blind spot and an operator will strike them with the loader. Also, the load carried by a front-end loader can strike personnel on the ground, causing serious injuries. Caught in or between. Similar to struck by incidents, caught in or between incidents are responsible for many injuries and fatalities. Workers can find themselves pinned in between the front-end loader and another object, such as a wall. The load the machine is carrying or working underneath the attachment in the front of the machine can also create an incident where a worker suffers a caught in or between injuries. Tip over. When a front loader is operated outside of its design limits or in an unsafe way, they are susceptible to tip over incidents. Loads that are too heavy, uneven terrain, and unsafe speeds are a few common factors for tip-over incidents. Operator's Manual. Best practices while operating a front-end loader is to use an operator's manual. Operate the equipment within its design limits. Read the operator's manual prior to using any front-end loader. Training and certification. Ensure you have the training and certification you are using. Never overload the equipment. Always use proper lifting and rigging techniques when lifting a load with a front-end loader. Travel with loads or attachments low to the ground. Never carry passengers on a front-end loader unless it is designed to carry passengers. The pedestrians. Set up work areas and tasks in such a way that foot traffic is eliminated or minimized around where heavy equipment is operating. Signal or spotter man. Utilize a spotter for tasks when personnel or property can be struck. Install PWAS. Minimize backing as much as possible. Backing leads to more incidents than when moving forward. Install a PWAS to avoid backing incidents. Seat belt. Always use seat belt when operating any type of vehicle or heavy equipment. Summary. Front-end loaders are extremely versatile and useful to have on the job. That being said, they also can be very dangerous to operate or work around. Take the time to evaluate the hazards of the tasks involving front-end loader use. Eliminate as many hazards as possible prior to work beginning. Thanks for watching this video. Our team is grateful towards the people who have already subscribed our channel. And those who haven't, please do remember to subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to receive notifications regarding latest safety topics. Like, comment and share our videos to encourage our team. Have a good time. See you in the next clip. Till then, goodbye.